asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from the back.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to Selfnailed for letting me sponsor them in this video. You guys, you have got to check her out. Selfnailed literally bodied the mess out of these press-on nails, sweetheart. So you guys have got to check her out. She's located in Austin, Texas. She is truly talented, truly amazing, and I thank her so much for customizing these nails for me, honey, because these is so lit. So coming to you guys with a video on how I normally do my nails, since I already do my nails at home, but it is sponsored with her nails instead of mine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video, honey. So when she sent me my package, all of my nails were packaged so beautifully, and I love how she just gifted, like she wrapped it into a gift. That is so cute. So in the gift box, it came with a buffer. It came with a wipe to clean off dirt or any type of excess leftover dirt, oil, any type of polish that's on your nails to wipe off. She also sent tabs for the collaboration, but I'm just going to use my glue instead. But she also packed some glue in there if you prefer glue, so that's cool too. And she also sent me a pusher for my cuticles, so that is really nice. And then she also put in one of her user guides in here. I definitely love it because it's very well put together, very organized. It's just a booklet on how to apply on, you know, nails, how to remove them, nail tips, apply nail with charms and nail rings. She has pictures of her work in here, how to do your nails with the tabs versus glue. Very well put together, very well, sis. So make sure you guys check her out. All of her social medias will be down in the description below. Now, let's get into the favorite part out of this whole video. Look at this. So on my Instagram, I did a little voting session, and everybody chose the blue one versus the Louis Vuitton. So for this video, we are doing a icy look. So we are putting on the top row. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, me and Selfnailed will be doing a free giveaway. So for instructions on that, make sure you follow everything in the description down below to get a chance to win you some nails. So first, I will be using my cuticle stick that I have in the package, and I am just going to push my cuticles back before I start to buff and remove all shine of protein and growth in my natural nails.
With the drip.
Cleaned up cooking.
So now I will be taking a buffer, my nail filer, and I'm just going to remove all of the shine and all that protein from off of my natural nails before the application. I honestly feel like I had to use a nail file instead of a buffer because I still got this gunk on my nails from when I had my last set. So yeah, I'm still trying to work that off. I try to use acetone to get it off. I got majority of it off, but I still have a little bit on there. So I needed something a little bit stronger just to get all that off before I apply on my nails. So once your nails are buffed out, you want to make sure you want to clean the natural nail surface with an alcohol pad to remove all dirt and oils. So I will be using the little alcohol pad that was in the package, and I am just taking this and I am just wiping my nails clean before I put my nails on. So now I will be putting glue on the surface of my nail now that my nail is clean. And I am just making sure that my whole nail surface is covered with nail glue to avoid any air bubbles. And now I am just pushing down my nail against my cuticle to make sure that it is on properly. And I just hold my nail down for about a minute or two. That way it can fully dry and harden, and that way it will stick. And that's basically about it. I basically do this the whole time around the whole video. So I will be playing some good instrumental music since YouTube is very sensitive about copyright. So I'm gonna make sure that the music is very soothing and entertaining. But if you are interested in the music that will be playing in this video, the music link will be down in the description if you was curious about that. So I'm not gonna play any copyrighted music because we cannot have my doggone video flag down again. We just cannot. So enjoy the music and yeah, watch me finesse my fingers.
Pinged up cooking.
So now that my nails are complete, I am just taking my Dead Sea Premier Cuticle Therapy in Minimal Rich, and I am just using this to treat my cuticles after doing my nail application. And voila, sis, we done. We blinging, we icy, okay, in the month of March, and my birthday is coming up pretty soon in the next few weeks, so I am very excited. So when y'all guys order from Selfnailed and people see y'all fingers and be like, oh, where did you get your nails done? Just be like, girl, I went to Selfnailed. Selfnailed, girl, where they located? Girl, they located in Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas, girl, these some press-on nails, bitch. Press-on nails, yes ma'am, some motherfucking press-ons, bitch. Everybody gonna be like, what you said, what you said? So make sure you guys check her out. Everything will be down in the description below. I'm telling you, sis is bad. She good with her hands. And also, it will be a discount code down in the description below for you to save some coins. So definitely check her out. I will make sure all of her social medias will be down below. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in into this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, I will see you dolls later.